Hello, dear student. Now, today we are going to discuss about the quadratic equation and its solution. In the quadratic equation, the total content that we have to read is first is basic standard equation of the quadratic. After that, how to recognize the given equation is quadratic or not. Third, how to find out the solution of the quadratic. There are three different methods we are going to read. First is called factorization, second by formula, third by completing square, that we are going to see. After that, once we will read the formula based, there only we will see the nature of roots, and after that we will see word based problem. So overall, this is the total chapter. In this chapter, this is the total content that we are going to read. So first thing is quadratic equation. When the quadratic equation is there, then this is called nothing but the standard equation of quadratic, where always power of x is power 2. After that, it is should be in the decreasing order. So this is called quadratic equation in variable x. A, b, and c are real numbers where a will never equal to 0. So example, suppose we will take 2x square plus x minus 100 minus x square plus 1 plus 300x. So standard equation is always ax square plus bx plus c. So this is called a standard equation. So if we can see the example 3x square plus x plus 2, x square minus 2x plus 2, these all are standard form of equation. But x square minus 3 plus 4x, this is not in the order. So this is not in the standard form of quadratic equation. So always the two most important thing is we have to see the ax square plus bx plus c. So variable power order is very, very important. Then only we can say the equation is quadratic equation in the standard form or not. This is the first thing. So this is very easy. Now, whether a given equation is quadratic or not, we have to check. To check the quadratic equation or not, first we have to solve, and after that only we can check. Now we will see some questions. To check the given equation is quadratic or not, check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. First question is x minus 2 whole square plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. So first of all, we will solve LHS. X minus 2 whole square plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. That first we expand this x square minus 4x plus 5 and 2x minus 3. Now, after that, when we are writing this, just taking the variable in the left hand side. So 4x, this will come this side, 6x, and this will come this side. This is also plus 8. So this is the standard equation of the quadratic. Same way, second question, x plus 1 plus 8, x square plus 8, x plus 8. So first of all, just see the question, x plus 1 plus 8, x plus 2, and x minus 2. So in the second question, once we will see, first of all, this x plus 1 plus 8, just expand. This is x square plus x plus 8, and x plus 2, x minus 2 become x square minus 4. Equate both sides. X plus 2, this is not a quadratic form. Similarly, third question, LHS, first we will see x 2x plus 3, 2x square plus 3. Once we will solve this, this is coming x square minus 3x plus 1 minus 1. So definitely it is a quadratic equation. Now, next question, x plus 2 whole cube equal to x cube minus 4. So a plus b whole cube, a cube minus 6x square plus, this is the just the formula, a plus b whole cube. Just we apply, and once we will solve, this x cube will cut, and this is the standard equation of the quadratic. So in this way we can solve. Now, formation of second type of problem is formation of quadratic equation by given statement. Suppose any statement is given, then we have to form a quadratic equation. Example, John and Jivita together have 45 marbles. Now always remember one thing, when the word based problem is there, so in that case only you have to select only one variable. Only one variable you have to select. And after that, what the condition is given, based on that, you have to write the equation. So here, John and Janvi, Jivita, together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. And the product of the number of marbles they now have 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. So according to the given questions, if you will see, let the number of marble of the John be x. So total marble is 45. So Jivita is 45 minus x. Correct? Now, both lost 5 marbles. So from here, just subtract 5. And from here, just subtract 5. So this is 40 minus x. So according to the question, and the product of number of the marbles they would have now is 124. So once after subtracting both the value in the that x minus 5, 40 minus x, this is the format. So once we'll solve x square plus 45 minus 200 equal to 124, this is the given product. So this is equal to x square minus 45x plus 324. Now John and number of marbles John had satisfy the quadratic equation. Similarly, second question, a cottage industry produced a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was 750 rupees. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. So in this type of questions, let the number of toys produced in a day is x. First we saw this, we took as a x. So cost of production of each toy is in that day is 55 minus x. So total rupee in the terms of rupees. So in one day, x total number of production of the toys. So total cost of production in that day is x, 55 minus x, and this is equal to total amount is 750. Just we have to equate, then we got this equation. So this is nothing but the quadratic equation, and after that we can find out the value of x. So that we are going to see later how to find out the quadratic equation. Now type third problem, whether the given value are solution of the quadratic equation or not. So in this type of question, whatever the equation is given, this is the equation. And suppose x equal to alpha be a given value of x. To check x equal to alpha is a solution or not, just we have to substitute and we have to check. Question, just we have to see. So this is the step. First of all, write the equation in the form of px equal to 0. And after that, x equal to alpha, we have to substitute. If p alpha equal to 0, then definitely x equal to alpha is the solution of the equation, otherwise not. Now, in the question, just we see, then it should be very, very crystal clear. X equal to 1 by 2, x equal to 1 by 3 are solution of given equation or not. First of all, we had given the name of the quadratic equation as a px. Now x equal to 1 by 2, x equal to 1 by 3. So x, just we have to substitute the value of, this is x equal to actually minus 1 by 2. So x equal to minus 1 by 2, once we will substitute the value of x equal to minus 1 by 2 in the given equation. So what the after substituting the value and getting, after calculation, what the value we are getting? P equal to minus 1 by 2. So definitely this is nothing but the solution. Similarly, x equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 3, we have to substitute in the given equation. So what the value it is coming here, just by substituting the value, this is coming minus 15 by 9. So definitely it is not a solution. So where after putting the value, if it becomes 0, then definitely it is nothing but the roots of the solution or zeros of the solution. Type 4. An unknown constant involved in a quadratic equation when its a solution or roots is given. Now this is very, very important. In each of the following equations, determine the value of k. Now remember one thing very, very crystal clear. When in a quadratic equation, some unknown value we have to find out, then it is definitely some value is given and it is should and must be the root of the equation. So x equal to 2 is nothing but the roots of this equation, then only we can find out the value of k. So k is unknown value. and x equal to 2 is the solution of the equation. So just we have to substitute the value of x equal to 2 in the given equation, and k in place of x 2. So 2 is square, here 2 into 2 minus 3. So we got the value here k equal to minus 1 by 4. Similarly, in the second question, x square x equal to minus a is the solution of the given equation. So just we have to substitute in this minus a square plus 2a minus k. So a square minus a 2a square minus k. So k equal to minus a square. So in this way we can find out. Now, fifth question is very important. X equal to 2 and x equal to 3. There are two roots are given. So definitely x equal to 2 will also satisfy the given equation, and x equal to 3 will also satisfy the given equation. So in that case, we will get the two linear equation and we will solve that. So we have to find out the a and b. So once we will substitute the value of x equal to 2 value, first we have to substitute x equal to 2. So once we will substitute the value of x equal to 2, we got 2a minus b equal to 6. Similarly, 3 we substituted, then we got 6a minus 2b equal to 27. So this is nothing but the two linear equation, and just this is linear equation, and just we have to solve this by any substitution method or elimination method. So here just we solved this one and we got the result a equal to 15 by 2. And after that, in any equation we have to substitute the value of a equal to 15 by 2. We got the result of b equal to 9. So I hope this is crystal clear for all of you. There are a lot of concepts involved in this. Just you practice and perfect in this. Thank you.